Hello you guys, so today I'll be doing Kinslee's hair on camera. You guys, this definitely was a challenge because at the end she started to cut up, but we got it done. Right now I'm just going to use a spray bottle full of water and I'm just going to spray her hair to make sure that it is wet enough for me to detangle, and I'm just going to part it in two so that I can make sure I detangle and moisturize her hair really good. So now I'm going in with the Comeback Curls CANTU spray, and I'm just going to spray that all on her hair. This makes her hair even more curlier than what it is. Make sure when you comb in anyone's hair, you use like the wide tooth comb versus the small prongs, just so that you're not pulling any hair out or hurting anyone. And of course, you see she's trying to show off the products right now, so I'm just gonna let her get her shine on. So my baby has a mixture hair type. She has 3A and 3B hair. We're going to go in right now with the Whipped Mango Shade Moisturizer from Glammed Naturally Oil. And this is a really, really good oil for kids' hair. They do have kids' products, but this is just the regular moisturizer. And I'm going to put that all on her hair and her scalp. It's good for hair growth. You can also use it on your skin, and it's just gonna keep the hair like moisturized and stuff like that. So I did the same thing I did on the other side to this side, and I'm just combing it all together now. Right now I'm going to part it in the back, and I really couldn't get the back footage only because like she would have been trying to turn around to look and see what I was doing, but I just did straight across the back, a straight part across the back, and I'm going to separate the top from the back, and then I'm going to part it into 3 sections in the back and just plait it like that. So in a few, you're going to see like she's going to turn around, and I froze the screen so that you can actually see like part of it, like right now. So right here, I'm going to make a triangle in the front part just so I can have the 2 dangling pieces pinned up, and then I'm going to part the hair into two sections. So I got her to turn so you guys can see she has sharp pieces on the side. So usually when I do like 2 pigtails, I have to split the pigtails up so that it doesn't look like a bunch of hair is coming out of the pigtail. So this is what it looks like. So now you're going to kind of see me put it together like the other side. At this point, it's 12 o'clock and she started to get irritable. That's usually her nap time. So she started to whine a little bit. But for anybody who has a kid or a little girl that's doing their hair, all you have to do is like play with them, kind of like get them to focus their attention on something else. So definitely have snacks, toys, books, anything that's going to keep their interest right next to you. Right now I'm going in with the Dream Kid Olive Oil Edge Control, and that's what I use to slick down her edges. So now I'm going to part the 2 pigtails in the middle. And you guys, when you put the moisturizer on the hair, make sure that you moisturize the ends, because those are the important parts, because you have to think about you putting the borat on the end. So you want to make sure that it's not putting too much friction on the hair. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I couldn't get too many pics or videos of her because she wouldn't let me, but stay tuned. If you guys want to see more kid videos like this or just stuff like this, let me know in the comments below.